Good morning, everybody. It's the Intuitive Investor from StockTwits. I really meant to post this video yesterday, June 27th. Today's June 28th, but I just simply didn't have the time. So again, I'm going to end up freelancing this video. I'm just trying my best to remember all the information that I was reading up on yesterday evening. And as some of you have seen, the market has continued to go down. We're not just talking about the Dow, the S&P, and the Nasdaq, but we're also talking about throughout the world. We're talking about markets in Europe, and we're talking about specifically markets in Asia. I'm looking at CNBC's website this morning, and it looks like there's going to be an added bloodbath continuing. This is really starting to concern me in a different way. Kind of the same way that I'd been concerned back in earlier the year where I had posted that video that I keep referencing about where there was going to be an increased volatility. What's different now is that more people are paying attention to that volatility. And I don't know that we as investors and as an economy can continue to weather that volatility. And here's what I think might end up happening. If enough people get triggered, then that will increase sell-offs. And if increased sell-offs increase, then it'll get to the point where no one's buying and everyone's selling, and that will drive us into a recession. This started June 20th, the most recent one, and it's kind of sustained itself. Some of you, if you look at your portfolios, can look at 1 week or maybe even the month of June and just kind of see how it's taken a dive. And this is not going to change anytime soon, unfortunately. Based on what I'm seeing, the big five banks are also down. I'm just looking at just everything. You look at European markets, they're afraid of the trade war. Everyone's afraid of this trade war, this tariff, this aggressive tariff that was proposed back the earlier part of the year where we were going to start taxing dishwashers and solar panels and God knows what else. The part that I fear the most is that what we're going to see then is we're going to see government try to patch things up. And one way they try to patch things up is by reducing interest rates. So it would be interesting to really evaluate where the interest rates go, where the 10-year goes, and to see if it drops, see if it lowers, and see if it closes green, see if it's been going green these past couple of days. Again, it's research that I haven't done yet, but I really mean to do it. Some of the things that I've noticed is looking at the VIX and the TVIX, and when there's volatility, those skyrocket. While I'm not a bear and never will be, if there's anywhere I'm going to consider putting my money in with all this volatility, it would be in VIX or maybe TVIX. So you might want to consider that. Anyhow, today is going to be yet another busy day. It looks like markets are going to be starting in the red already. If you look at your watch list, you'll probably see a sea of red. If you happen to have any tips for any of our viewers or any other StockTwits investors and users, then by all means share that information because knowledge is power. So take care, guys. Have a good day.